Here's a tutorial on how to make lahmajun with BreadMaster's Lahmajun pizza crust. 1 pound of ground beef with 20% fat, 1.5 pounds of tomatoes, 8 ounces of onion, 1 ounce pepper paste or 2 red bell peppers, 1 bunch of parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon allspice, 1 teaspoon paprika, and half an ounce of garlic. Chop all the vegetables into very small pieces and mix with the meat. Almost forgot the tomato paste, 3 ounces of tomato paste. And finally, spread on the lahmajun crust. Make sure the spread is thin so it cooks thoroughly. Bake in the oven for 3 to 4 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Or until it's cooked to your liking.